Welcome in Ohouse. My name is Stacie and this is my home. Both my partner and I are originally from Michigan. I work in climate philanthropy, he works in logistics. We've lived in San Francisco proper for a year now. Love the walkability, parks, food, public transit, everything you can do in your 20s. I would describe my personal design style as playful, funky, abstract, a mix of new and old. I really want to be able to experiment and let my inner child out when I'm designing my home. I've had my boho phase, I've had my sad beige phase, but I'm finally starting to capture inspiration from what truly lights me up. I like to play when I design. We love to take in the views on the balcony, to rot on the couch, to host friends and family. Really make this a place where everyone feels welcome. Home to me is a sanctuary. It's a place I can decompress, get away from the world, recharge with my partner and pets, and remember what's really important to me. It's a place where we can all just reconnect.